welcome back to my channel. Good manners and good habits are something that a kid learns right from childhood. Parents try to teach good manners and good habits to their kid in the best possible way. Good manners and good habits make an individual better human being and are essential for a person to live in a society. Good manners and good habits are something we learn from our childhood, which is a stepping stone to achieve success in our lives. A child first learns it from their parents and tries to copy their behavior. It is very important for the parents to behave appropriately in front of their kids. So today we will learn essential magical words. Here are 5 magical words for kids to learn. Let's learn with Train Your Brain. 5 magical words. Thank you, please, sorry, excuse me, and may I. First we start from thank you. We should always say thank you to express gratitude. The second one is please. We should say please to make a request. Third magical word is sorry. David and Eva were fighting for Teddy. After some time they realized they did a mistake. They decided to apologize to each other. What we say when we do wrong? We say, I am sorry. When we do mistakes, we should apologize to that person. Most of the time mistakes we make are by accident. Then we say, I am sorry. We should say sorry if we hurt someone. The fourth magical word is excuse me. When we want someone's attention, we say excuse me. What we say, kids? What we say, kids? We say excuse me. We say excuse me. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Always say excuse me to get someone's attention. The fifth magical word is may I. When we want to say something, we say may I. What we say? We say may I. We should say may I to ask for something. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching my video. Like and share my video and do subscribe my channel for more educational and fun videos.